not coloring. Even if here. Here's Brian Alter and Sarah from Alter's Gem Jewelry.
The only diamond more valuable than colorless is the diamond that is colorful.
Pink, yellow, and blue.
In 2016, Christie's auction house sold a 14-karat blue diamond for $56 million.
That's $4 million a carat.
In 2022, Sotheby's auction house sold an 11-karat pink diamond for $57 million.
That's more than $5 million a carat.
Those diamonds were born when the Earth was born.
They come from the heart of the earth.
But now there are also pink, yellow, and blue diamonds that were born while you were falling in love.
These Superman-made created diamonds come from the fiery heart of a miniature sun.
Blazing inside a plasma chamber.
High, high, high.
Pink, yellow, and blue.
Your colorful wonder awaits you for as little as $6.99.
Your colorful 1-carat miracle awaits you for $23.99 or less.
Get them while you can at Alter's Gem Jewelry.
The following message is brought to you by Cardia, makers of the world.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, eastern Orange County in southeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was